I know this is getting a little bit ubiquitous. Every single video I say the same thing, the same intro, same terminology. We're gonna be driving the Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador Roadster on the road. Yeah, I said it every single video and I have yet to fulfill the promise. Well today, boys, it is actually gonna happen. We are so close to not finishing the car because we have to paint the car still, but we're gonna drive it on the road today. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Now, all we have left is the rear bumper and the carbon diffuser, and then we're still waiting for the wheels to be mounted onto the tires, but then we can actually drive the car today. Now, after we drive the car, we have to tear the entire car apart. We have to send it to paint. After it's painted, we put the entire car back together. So, should be a good day. I'm gonna backtrack here real quick to yesterday's video. We have the Countach, the Diablo, the LM002, or the Lamborghini Murcielago. Now, the Diablo beat the Countach, to my surprise, 128,000 to 105,000, whereas the LM got destroyed. Murcielago, 180,000 to 64,000. I don't know, guys. What do you think? What should be the new V12 added to the arsenal? It appears that the Murcielago is going to win. The LM002, though, it's like one of my all-time favorites. I don't know. We got to work harder. So last night I spent the entire evening on the phone with 4 different dealers. I'm trying to wheel and deal and get the very best deal that I can. I don't know. You guys saw the poll. I don't want to say too much without quite saying enough, but one of the cars, yes. On that bombshell, I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Guns of Glory. Now, Guns of Glory is this legendary strategy mobile game that's set during an alternate history on the European continent. Now, during this era, the throne has fallen. Us, the players, we're the loyal musketeers. We want to protect the king from the evil cardinals. Now, the cardinals have all these suspicious, evil plans, and to sum it up shortly, we, the musketeers, we want to crush them. We want to destroy them. In Guns of Glory, you can develop your city, you can join alliances with your friends to fight together, battle against enemies and strategize future wars, train troops to stop cardinal schemes. The world settings and storyline make Guns of Glory really immersive. You can also unveil the secrets of the Iron Masked Man, or challenge yourself in the Ramparts minigame. There's always new equipment sets, and this Easter there's this really exciting event you're not gonna wanna miss. And the people in this world actually pursue alchemy, but it's mixed with pre-industrial technology, so the style and graphics, it's almost steampunk-like. Now be sure to check out the link in the description below to download Guns of Glory today. Using my creator code, you can actually redeem an in-game starter pack that's gonna help you build your settlements, giving you speed ups and plenty of resources. That's for new users only, first come, first serve. If you download the game using my link in the description below, you're entered into our giveaway. We're giving away a bunch of $50 Amazon gift cards. Download Guns of Glory, link in the description below. One take wonder, baby, all day, every day. Get it, son, get it. Atta boy. Let's go, bud, let's go. Yeah. If you guys did not see the video that I filmed yesterday, the carbon wing is absolutely outrageous. We have the carbon side skirt and the carbon front splitter right there. The car looks so sick. Okay, so we need the rear bumper. This would be one of those moments we really don't want to drop the rear bumper on a Bugatti. That would be a bad day. Now, getting the carbon diffuser off the rear bumper turns out to be a lot harder than I was expecting. It has clips. I hate clips so much. Oh, we're good. Nothing broke. That's a bad sound, but nothing broke. At least not yet. Come on, baby. Work with me. Work with me. Oh, yes! Yes! Oh, feels good to win. Oscar, we're the champions, bud. And the rear bumper has been fitted onto the Aventador as well as this lower diffuser piece. Now we have all these carbon fiber bits that somehow Tetris on to that diffuser. We have a bunch of high resolution photos from Liberty Walk, such as this one, that should help in the process. And the carbon fiber diffuser has been pieced together right there. Now I gotta figure out how to actually gracefully mount it to the rear bumper. Whoa, jeez, I'm okay. I'm good. Remember, gracefully. No! 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 Oh, I'm an idiot. Imagine that. I'm an idiot. I messed it up. This piece right here is supposed to go here and vice versa. Oh, great. It's hard having a low IQ. That's all I can really say. This piece right here, this needs to go on that side. You can see the bolt hole right there. Needs to, oh, great. All right, yeah, this is take 2. I don't want to hear any one of you guys making fun of me for my positive offset. We're putting the OEM tires and wheels on. My optimism level that the car will start is very, very low. Main reason, the driver door won't open. Luckily, I left the driver window down. We're gonna scoot in and open the car. Now, we've done this a million times. We have positive, ground, positive, negative. Here we go. And yes, if you guys are concerned, I have a new battery coming for the Aventador. Come on, baby. Oh, too easy, boys. That was too easy. All right. We finally reached the point we've all been waiting for. I just duct taped the hood closed because I don't have a hood latch quite yet. So we have the duct tape, we have the jumper cables in case the battery dies, and we have a socket set, so I think we're good to go. Now this test drive is purely for quality control and quality assurance. I don't know what the difference is between those two, but it's for both of those reasons. I want to make sure the wing doesn't go flying off, the wide body kit doesn't crack. So far so good, nothing fell off the car, but check it out, it looks so crazy. It looks like an alien spaceship the first time the Liberty Walk wide body Aventador has been under the sun. Oh my gosh, we've done it, we have done it. It looks so ridiculous right now. That white and black combination is actually really, really cool. The duct tape actually complements everything very, very nicely. We're missing a couple body panels. I could have installed those, but because we have to tear apart the car to paint it, it didn't really make sense. Wow. I realize it looks a little bit goofy with the positive offset, but the Vossen wheels, once we get those, they'll be completely flush with these fender arches. Oh my goodness, that carbon wing. Check out this view straight off the back. Oh, what have we done? Oh my goodness, this car is so sick. I am so amped right now. Nothing has fallen off. We did this ourselves, boys. I take such satisfaction. I have no experience. I had no idea what I was doing, and I took my time. You guys were patient. It turned out so good. The new exhaust is en route in 1 week. 1 week, we're getting the new exhaust. Full titanium. The alignment is definitely off very bad. I don't know if you guys can see how much it's turning to the right. Trunk entrapment system fault. We have the airbag light and we have the rear wing defective. But overall, all that stuff was kind of expected because none of it's plugged in. Look at the wrap on that Tesla Model 3. That thing is crazy. So we do have to fill up the car with gas, which is kind of sort of nerve-wracking because that battery issue, if the car dies, we're kind of sort of out of luck. And yes, we're still rocking the lousy 91. It's kind of nerve-wracking because everything's still a little bit loose on this car. You can actually see the hose right there that leads down to the fuel tank, fully exposed. Don't worry about it. Don't worry, we're good, I think. Well, everything appears to still be intact. The wing is still mounted properly. Wide body kit is still bolted on. Always check the duct tape. Everything seems good. Hope she starts up. Work with me, come on. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, I was very nervous right there. This Tesla wrap is really throwing me for a loop, but the thing about that car I don't like, where's the obnoxious vanity plate? Like, you got a wrap like that, but no W16 LOL. That's the license plate I'm getting for my Model 3, by the way. Now, I don't think we're quite ready for the freeway, but that was 60 miles an hour right there. That's a new top speed. Wing is still on. Now, most of you guys know I've been trying to fight the muffin top, so unfortunately, we're not going to Domino's today. We're going healthy. Yes, sir. Muffin top season is over. Stefan and I, we are changed individuals.
That's right.
And so I got a chocolate chip cookie, I got Doritos, I got a foot long, but I'm drinking agua.
You're 1 out of 3. Healthy, not healthy, not healthy.
Stefan, no. This seems like, oh my gosh, how did this happen? Yes. Be careful, front end lift, that carbon splitter, we don't have a replacement.
Worth more than my life.
Gotta give a shout out to my homie. What was your name, dude?
My name's Asher.
Asher? I gotta give a shout out to Asher. He's gonna help us get rollers. So I'm gonna hop in with Asher and Stefan's gonna drive the Roadster. Also, shout out to Burt Brothers for loaning us Asher for the next 2 minutes. That car looks so insane right now. This is my first time seeing it on the road. Oh my gosh. It also looks like it was pieced together by a 9-year-old, but at the same time, wow. Oh, he's gonna do it. Whoa, Stefan. That says no U-turn. My God, turning radius though. Oh my gosh. That thing looks insane. This car looks so crazy. There's nothing quite like it. We're in Hodunk, Utah with a Liberty Walk Aventador. He's just flipping U-turns left and right. He is a madman. That was ridiculous. Thank you so much.
Me too.
Jeez, that car is ridiculous. I cannot wait until it's all done. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
It looks so good.
You drive like a madman, but there's a link in the description below. Guys, Stefan hit his soccer ball at 100 miles an hour in the Nissan GTR.
I did.
you should go watch the video. And hit it. The wing did not fall off. We're good. Here, Floofy. What's up, Murph? What's up, Ask? The dog vlog. Grandma's gonna love this. Hi, Murph. Hey, Floofies. Okay, let's not get too crazy.
You said you took it 60 miles an hour and nothing fell off.
Yes.
Was that pre or post duct tape?
That was post duct tape, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, no,
All right.
but just in case, I got more duct tape right there. So I was prepared.
The last time we took it out,
We don't talk about the last time. No, we don't talk about that. No. You keep putting your finger up in the air like you have something to say, and it's not complimentary.
I know I'm late to the party, but you know you have a hole in the car, right?
Yes, I'm aware.
Okay.
It's for airflow, bro.
I'm just checking.
We gotta cool the V12. Airflow. Whoa, clean shaven.
Baby face.
Oh, baby sharp.
My wife told me to lose 10 pounds, so trimmed it. Cut that.
It's so much fun driving this car in Utah, Hodunk, Utah. Like, you don't see Liberty Walk Aventadors outside of maybe Florida or Southern California, and we're in Salt Lake City in a wide body that looks like it was pieced together in my shop, which it was, but you know what I mean. And just like that, the party is over, the fun is over. Now we have to tear apart the entire car and get it ready for paint. I gotta say, the quality assurance drive was a massive success. We didn't lose anything whatsoever. All the car parts are on the car. We got the wing, we got the body kit. We're good. I know I've said this ad nauseum. The reason I didn't install this carbon fiber piece is because I would have had to tear it apart and it just wasn't worth the effort, but that piece looks so sick. And then this piece right here, I think this is pretty obvious where this goes. Right underneath the carbon wing. Same scenario though, I didn't want to install it and then have to remove it. And you can see how the piece lays just like so. It's got the cutouts for the wing uprights. I still need to install the third brake light. We're gonna do that off camera. First thing Monday morning, we're sending this car off for paint. So this weekend, we're just tearing apart the entire thing. I'm just like so excited, so over the moon with how well this car has turned out. It has completely exceeded my expectations, and every step along the way, the hype, the excitement is just gonna build and build and build. Anyways, guys, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.